Yes, my lovely people, welcome back to J Progress Entertainment. I want to know if you ask nobody nothing, you know, my people, and nobody now if you tell you nothing, because you already know how J Progress go to work. Alright, my people, make we jump right into it. Love, marriage, relationship is a very complicated thing. And sometimes when you get with somebody and you don't even know what you get in. Right now, I'm going to show you something, people. And I'm going to make you take of it. And we are going to elaborate on it a bit. I'm going to show you a proposal of a man getting down on his knees to propose to him woman. And then after, we are going to go back down the line and we are going to show you again what transpire afterwards. Alright, my people, you see what I want. A man get down on him knees and propose to him lady. Usually when that happen, is a burst of happiness, enjoyment, fun. Just ready for life, just ready for love. Just ready for dedicate yourself to each other. You know, because marriage can be a beautiful thing. But coming from my channel, I've given you so much stories of things that happen in our marriage. And this one is no different. This one is no different, people. Because I'm going to show you the horror story will take place after this man get down on his knees. You don't see him good, but me don't know if you don't look good and realize in that proposal what is the thing. Usually if you go propose to your woman, right? When you get down on your knees and the woman get excited, head over heels and excitement, you are there as the man to celebrate that moment with her. Once you get up off of your knees, the first thing you go do, hug your woman and kiss your woman. Because you just proposed to her and tell her, say, I want to spend the rest of my life with you pretty much. Now, I'm going to put a ring on your finger, we're going to get married and I'm going to spend the rest of my life with you. Look, if you don't look good, you don't say, this man step back. You didn't even see the great excitement on his face. And even the woman never run over to him and grab him up and hug him up and kiss him and baby and say, the woman is obviously surprised. Yeah. But you can see a lot of little things there. Right? In any proposal, people know this, and not just because of what I'm going to show you guys. But in any proposal, you know this. When the man go down on his knee, propose, once him get up in next thing, woman in the arms, kiss, lovey, then you let her go, make she go celebrate with whoever else they run her. Right? Take a look at this now. I want to tell me and watch the dramatic turn.
Eh? Come on, what do you hand them green? So what do you hand? What do you hand them? Come on. Just want to talk to you, man. Come. Try to get one of the funny things. Come on, we'll talk to you, man. What do you hand them, sir? Yeah. I'm saying them. You want to see the spider? Mr. Shirley, we know say no spider, that's why I want to talk to you. That's why I want to talk to you, come on. I want to talk to you, man. I can't make auntie go cry more than what she cry now. Eh? Auntie knows say no spider. Me know too. Look at now, man. Me know that too. Me know that too, man. Come. You're sick. So come, we can't get that to man. Come on. Things can't fix, man. Look at Shirley. Things. Nobody not kill. Oh, let me see your hand, one. Oh, God. Come on, man. Come closer to me. Come on. Come closer to yourself. Oh. You know, so one fire unit gun up and one piece of please. Come on, come in. Come on. Come, we talk to you, man. You can't talk about this, man.
Oh, God. What about that?
Eh?
Come on. So far, me and the papa of the chain, I'm here about you, man. I'm come out and
you see all of that, man.
She don't even come in there with spoon. I lick me, I tell her, I say, stop. Oh, God. Oh, God.
Come on. Get that phone. You can't put on. You got the guy down there. Get down there. Hold on, wait. Just come closer to the corner. When the leader come, company leader. Okay. Just come closer to yourself. When the leader come. Yeah, man, we know that, man. Sure, we can't talk about that, man.
We know all that. Oh, God.
Everything is alright, man. Just when you come in there, come up here.
And then I don't want to come to it. Yeah.
Walk, go inside. Yes, man. You kill your colleague. Then I must ball. Yeah, man at a ball. Wicked man. No, you feel like say you want to live. You cannot leave this land. Dream making drink all the girls when you want drink. God nasty. No, put him in a wheelchair. We no business. Him want mercy and he may give big red no mercy. Eh? No do you. All when you are dead we want your drag or heal. Wicked. You see him? Fling out tight chair. Flash a chair with him. Walk, go inside. Yes.
Me people, after that proposal, the woman is no longer among the land of the living. She is no longer above ground. They will make plans now to put her underground because of this very same man. You see what me I try show no? Look upon this man who no silk while in a tanker ball, in a water ball. Him dirt the woman. No longer among the land of the living, the woman. Because of the same man, the one that me showed you earlier, a propose and now no see him in a one big old tank of water. Out to pronounce himself, them all like you say him drink grammar zone and all kind of sitting. Police are hunt him down, the community are hunt him down. You say me a show no? Just not too long after this man make proposal to woman. Saying want marry them. Who knows I could have a week ago, 2 weeks ago, or a month ago. But it's not too long ago. And look what happened. You hear when him down there try saying at the tank? Oh, him in the bathroom. And the woman takes it and I lick him and him tell her if he stop. And I never spite him do it. Fuck, I must think I want little mistake this so you can just knock her like a so and wake her back up. And she up again and everything alright. People. You will never know, you know. But any man will reach an extent to get rid of a woman like that. There is always red flags. There is almost always something to show that this man is capable of ending you. Always something. Even one little argument you know, when him get and him blow you to proportion, him get too ignorant, him get too dark, him lose control. He look like he can't control himself when him get upset. There is something always there. Look what this man do. Look what happened to this lady. And then him try to harm himself, so they have to take him and carry him to the hospital now if he go check up on him, see if this, see if that. Because he come like him did try to get rid of himself too. What could have really caused this? Informations are still a bit sketchy. But people, as you don't know the story, go unfold over the media right through. But me just want to carry this to my people them for sure. And say sometime, when I get married to somebody or in a relationship with somebody, who never know this same person may make you leave the land of the living and know more above ground. You hear me I say? Look out for the red flags. The same person we are put head pan pillar with. That the person that cannot plan against you. Me tell you all of this already, you know. Look for the story where me show about the man who taking woman and came to Jamaica over insurance money. And I am wife. Whole heap of something me show you know. Remember see that J progress there for, but me tell you know. Me hope a lot of people learn from me thing them when me bring them across. Because it no pretty people. It do pretty at all. Imagine this person family. Imagine the lady family. Imagine if she have kids. Imagine the rest of her family and they look like a woman who work at a hospital because the people in my ball say they get with her and co-worker, blah, blah, blah. Remember this man got the woman workplace go propose to her, you know. That's a big move. That's a surprising move. But guess what? Guess what, people? That never mean nothing. Me one day something when I go under the relationship before. And him decide say a time one tiny woman make him go propose to her like he want to marry her and lock her down. Kind of want the woman left him. And not long after. But the story not gone nowhere, people. Everything unfold, so we will hear exactly what happened between this man and the woman. And remember, me I go bring it forward to now and make you know what I want, me people. You hear me I say? Until then, me lovely followers. Just tell a friend to come over the channel, come love and support the channel. Because you know we do it already. A 1J progress and no other, me people. I don't know if you ask nobody nothing. And nobody now if you tell you nothing. You hear me I say, you know me go to work already. And a one single J progress, no other. And remember 15K of the mission by March. And we know we can do it. Believe.